Okay, so for this recipe, you'll need 5 ounces of feta cheese, 6 ounces of pesto, 1 tomato, and 16 ounces or a pound of pasta. And first you want to bring your water to a boil and then add your pasta. And make sure you give it a good stir so it doesn't stick together. When your pasta is soft enough for your liking, then you're going to want to drain it. And just be careful. Kind of came in hot there, literally. And then you're just going to want to transfer your pasta back into the pot you used to boil it in. Okay, so now we're going to use our pesto, and again, you can use as much or as little of this as you want to. This is a 6-ounce jar, and I'm going to start by putting in half and seeing how far that goes with a pound of pasta. Okay, so I ended up using 3/4 of the jar, and I think that coated the pasta nicely, and you get a really good flavor with that. So next we're going to add in our 5 ounces of feta cheese crumbles. And again, you can use as much or as little of this as you want to. If you prefer a different kind of cheese, something like Parmesan or even Romano cheese or Asiago would be really good in this. So our last step is we're going to cut off the end of the tomato, making sure there's no part of the stem. And then we're going to slice and dice our tomato. So you want to slice about a 1/2 inch thick, and then you're going to dice about 1-inch pieces of tomato. You can make them smaller if you like. I just like a chunkier pasta salad. So now we're just going to stir very gently. You don't want to break up the tomato and smash it to pieces. And then also I recommend adding salt and pepper to taste. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. See you guys next time.